Having trouble with your iPhone keyboard not responding or acting strange? This can happen due to software glitches or settings problem. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix your keyboard and get it working like new. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off and on Enable Dictation. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap Keyboard. Scroll down. Toggle Enable Dictation off. Wait a few seconds and then toggle it back on. Test your keyboard to see if it's working. Solution 2. Disable any third-party keyboards. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Keyboard, tap on Keyboards again. If you're using third-party keyboards, tap Edit and remove them by tapping the red minus icon. Try using the default iOS keyboard to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Update iOS. Software bugs can sometimes cause keyboard issues and an update may contain fixes. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, check if the keyboard is functioning properly. Solution 4. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Open Settings, tap General, then scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm the reset. Check if this resolves the issue. That's all it takes to get your keyboard working again. If this guide helped, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.